Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain fix Xbox not connecting to Wi-Fi and network issues. Go to settings, then click on turn off console. Then wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Then go to settings from the top right, then select network settings. Then go to forget wireless network. Then reconnect again. Then go to advanced settings. Then go to IPv4 DNS settings. Then select it as manual. Then set it as 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS as 8.8.4.4. Then press start and go back. Then go back and connect the console to internet. By following these steps, you can fix Xbox not connecting to Wi-Fi and network issues.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.